G'day people, let's have a look on how to withdraw from Crypto Fortune. So currently we all are aware of the transition from 1.0 to 2.0, and in that interim members have been advised to withdraw what they can to prepare for 2.0. So yes, this is the method. You're going to log in, you're going to scroll down, you can see the deposit button has been removed. Currently no one can make new deposits, so to withdraw, you will see I'm going to follow you're going to claim the ROI normal process. This is just for demonstration purposes. This is no financial advice, educational purposes only. So you're going to follow the same procedure. You claim your ROI. Right now you're going to go to the wallet section, and it is going to appear there. So remember, when you withdraw, you can withdraw the cents as well, not the same as reinvestment where you don't have to, or you can't reinvest the cents. So I'm going to put 6.91 to withdraw, and I press withdraw and confirm. So I do not have any further updates at the moment, but this is how you are withdrawing, and they withdraw successful. Is it in the wallet? Let's go and see. And there it is in the wallet already, immediately. 6.6 at the moment, but let's look at this. Minus the 5%, 6.5. That's minus the 5%. So there we go. That is how you are withdrawing from Crypto Fortune. Thank you very much.